Regression models are used to describe relationships between variables by fitting a line to the observed data. Regression allows you to estimate how a dependent variable changes as the independent variables change. Multiple linear regression estimates the relationship between two or more independent variables and one dependent variable. When you want to know how strong the relationship is between two or more independent variables and one dependent variable, example how rainfall, temperature, and amount of fertilizer added affect crop growth, use multiple linear regression. Also use multiple linear regression when you want to know the value of the dependent variable at a certain value of the independent variables, example the expected yield of a crop at certain levels of rainfall, temperature, and fertilizer addition. Let us take a question. You are a public health researcher interested in social factors that influence heart disease. You survey 500 towns and gather data on the percentage of people in each town who smoke, the percentage of people in each town who bike to work, and the percentage of people in each town who have heart disease. Because you have two independent variables and one dependent variable, and all your variables are quantitative, you can use multiple linear regression to analyze the relationship between them. First, import your data in the Excel sheet from the CSV file. The file is in the description. Then copy the data in your Excel sheet. To perform regression analysis, you need to have the Data Analysis tool pack in the Data tab. To get that, open the File tab and then go to Options and then select the Add-ins on the left and then select the Go option in the Manage menu in the bottom on the window. Make sure Excel Add-ins is selected in the Manage drop-down. In the Add-ins, select the Analysis tool pack and click on OK. Then go to the Data tab and select the Data Analysis option in the Analysis group. Then select the Regression option in the menu and click on OK. Input Y range as the dependent variable that is heart disease. Input X range as the two dependent variables that are biking and smoking. Check labels if you have selected the column headers or not. Click on Output Range and select the cell beside the heart disease variable that is in F column. You can check mark residuals if you want to check for heteroscedasticity. This will be a topic for a later video. Adjust the column widths by the method shown. Then check the R and R squared values. The values, if they are closer to 1, signifies the level of strength by which the independent variables have an influence on the independent variable. If the value is near to 0, that means that variables taken have very less to no significant impact on the dependent variable. Next, check the p-values in the intercept and also the individual, independent variables. If it is less than 0.05, that means that the variable's impact is significant on the heart disease variable. Next, we see that indeed the values are less than 0.05. Hence we can say that the test is significant and we have the variables biking and smoking a significant impact on the number of heart disease patients. To make a plot of the linear regression, just select the data and insert a scatter plot. Next, click on the trendline option in the plus menu on the top right and select the linear option to display the linear regression line based on the variables you choose. Thanks for watching. Do like, share the video and subscribe.